Okay, what is up? So today we're going over price action and how I was able to win $174 trading New York session today. So today it's currently Monday, January 12th. And let's see. Okay, so first of all, for the day, I was pretty neutral. I mean, starting off the 4 hour, we were pretty bullish after inversing the 4 hour. I mean bearish, sorry. 1 hour we were pretty bearish also. So I was already looking for shorts, basically. And then what happened is right when market opened, it decided to go shoot up here. But before this, I did mark out some all my stuff this morning. Okay, right here. Okay. So going right into the morning, it was already the SMT already low, with this NQ being the lagging index. So already I'm just staying at NQ. So I have day low and New York AM low all the way at the bottom here. We have a bunch of sell side liquidity already looking for shorts. I mean, it was pretty obvious for me. I was looking for shorts. What I didn't like was we had this whole accumulation right here. So I was just waiting until market got less choppier. And we just decided to keep going up. What I did end up seeing here was there were, I think it was on the 1 hour, there's a 1 hour gap. 4 hour, there's nothing, but oh yeah, we also happened to a 4 hour gap, so we could have just gone straight down. So I was being careful about when going for longs here. Tapped into so we tapped back into this 5 minute that we already made it here. What I was actually hoping for was hit back into equilibrium. Let me just go show you guys real quick. Let's go mark this out. Okay, you see that's where I was trying to hit. It didn't end up hitting it, but it ended up hitting the 5 minutes. So I was looking for a high time frame gap, 3 minute. Now, if we go to the 2 minute, we did have a gap right here. I did end up going longs right after this stop loss. At the start, it was over here, but it was a negative RR, so I moved it down right there with, so it was about 120 with TP, like I said, at the 1 hour value gap. For me, it's a pretty obvious trade. It took about, uh, I'd say maybe a minute, not even, yeah, a little minute. But yeah, pretty easy trade for me. I'm on 50K account right now, so not bad. Oh yeah, I also had my break even right there, that line right there. That was break even. So yep, peace out, boys.